Now the cell organelles. I told you in the previous class, the cell organelle means the cytoplasm consisting of living structures and non-living substances is together called the cell organelles. Now we first take in first one cell organelle, that is a nucleus. A nucleus is in the spherical shape. It's a structure of the nucleus is in the spherical oval, okay, or round in the shape. So this nucleus is bounded by two membranes. These two membranes called a nuclear membrane. And this nuclear membrane has a number of pores. So these pores are help in the transfer of the material into the nucleus and outside the nucleus. Okay. So next, this nucleus has a fluid medium. The nucleus has a fluid medium. That fluid medium is called a nucleoplasm. Okay. So next, this nucleoplasm of the nucleus consisting of a thread-like structure called the chromatin. These thread-like structure are called chromatin. What? These thread-like structure called chromatin. See, this nucleus plays an crucial role during the cell division. See, cell division means a single cell is divided into two new cells. So that is what a cell division. Okay. So during the cell division, these chromatins, all the chromatins, they are joined one another. They join one another, and they become an coiling and the supercoiling. The coiling and the supercoiling. So during the cell division, these chromatins, they are joined one another and becomes an coiling and the supercoiling structure. Okay, this structure is called chromosomes, and they becomes an chromosome. Okay, what I am going to say, see this during the cell division, these chromatins are joined one another and become an coiling and the supercoiling. Okay, these are called chromosomes. What? Chromosomes. See, this chromosome is made up of a number of DNA. This chromosome is made up of number of DNA. DNA are like this. Okay, this each DNA. This is DNA. Let us consider this is a DNA. Please consider this is a DNA. This DNA has a number of genes. This DNA has a number of genes. So this is one gene. This is one gene. Okay, this DNA has a number of genes. What? This is genes. Okay, so this each gene and shows the particular characteristics of the species. Characteristics of the species. So you take an example: color of the skin, color of the eye, height of the person. Okay, suppose you take an example: if the baby is born and that baby has a color is comparatively same as that of the mother's color. Okay, okay, that is an example, suitable example. So this is about a nucleus. See, number of nucleus. See, some nucleus, they have no a definite nucleus. See, in some of the cells, some cells they have no definite nuclear region. Okay, such nuclear region is poorly defined. We cannot define that is this is a nuclear region, this is a nucleus. Okay, and such an undefined nuclear region is consisting of a nucleic acid. What? Nucleic acid. Nucleic acid. Okay. See, in some of the cells there is no nucleus, there is no proper nucleus, there is no definite nucleus, and poorly defined nucleus is poorly defined nucleus is present. Okay, in such region is consisting of a nucleic acid. Okay, and that nucleic acid we call it as what? A nucleid. What? Nucleid. Okay. So take one example that cell consisting of an undefined nucleus or the undefined nuclear region. For example, you take a bacteria. So this is in bacteria. Let us assume this is in bacteria. Okay, so bacteria. Here the nucleus is in the not in the proper manner. That means we cannot define the nuclear region. Okay, nuclear region. Okay, in this bacteria. This is what bacteria. And only this bacteria has only two or three organelles. One is an ribosomes. Another one is a nucleus. But this nucleus is not in the defined manner. Okay. So this nucleus we call it as this undefined nucleus we call it as nucleid. What? Nucleid. This is what? Nucleid. Okay. So this nucleid consisting of nucleic acid. Okay. And depending upon the nucleic acid or the nucleid present in the cell, we classify the cell into a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. Okay. A prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotes. Are you called prokaryotes? Prokaryotic cell are prokaryotes and eukaryotes.